Hardwood is anything that with leaves, so or deciduous, so oak, birch, ash. Those are all hardwoods, including poplar, which actually isn't very hard, but it is technically a hardwood. A softwood is anything with needles or coniferous, so like spruce, pine, fir, tamarack, or sometimes it's called larch. They both burn well in a wood boiler. You're probably going to get more coals from a hardwood, but they do take a little bit longer to dry, and they leave more ash. So there's not one species or type of wood that's best for your boiler. It's just the drier the wood, the better.